Hi guys, welcome back to my holiday series. I am so sorry I was gone for a whole week, so we didn't post because honestly, you guys, I was in and out of bed. I was just not feeling well. And you know when that happens in the middle of the holidays, it really takes a toll, don't you? But I am back and I'm feeling so much better now. And we're ready to bring some Christmas cheer to this kitchen and also to my dining area. And I'm super excited because if you see already a sneak peek behind me, we have some new window treatments. Finally, the drapes are here and the kitchen is looking seriously absolutely stunning. So let's jump right into today's video. Finally got my custom drapes for my dining room area. Two Pages is an affordable custom drapery company, and I went with the Liz linen blend curtains with 60% privacy with a triple pleated design. Pleated curtains are so beautiful. The texture is so rich, you guys. They're super soft, and the clips are adjustable. Pages has a great selection of different fabrics and different colors. And you guys, I picked two booklets. This is the list one, so I just wanted to show you this one. Look how many different color choices this drapery company has for this one particular brand, with all the details in here. Always get your samples so you guys can try it out at home. And here's the hubby installing them for me, and it was a breeze, you guys. So now it's time to get this kitchen ready for Christmas. Let's start here with my little hot cocoa station, coffee station. This place really gets used during the holiday season. So I'm gonna give it a nice wipe before I begin to put some of my decorations. Some of them are new and some are from previous years that I have collected them. So usually here I like to do more like a gingerbread type of theme. Guys, it is time to bring the holiday mugs. I got some new ones this year and I am so happy. Like, those cups are so cute, you guys. Look at this. I cannot wait to be sipping on my hot cocoa all holiday season long. Of course, look at this bear one. It is absolutely stunning. And I got this one new this year. I will try to link some of them for you on the description box. I got this cute little canister at Target at the dollar spot or whatever that section is called. And then I'm gonna put my hot cocoa there, and then the gingerbread ones, I put coffee and sugar. And I also got this from Target. It's a little marshmallow stand. It was $5 and I thought it was so cute for my hot cocoa station. And I'm just gonna fill out some of my jars with some of the toppings that I'm gonna be using for my cocoa station. So some crushed peppermint, some little chocolate chips. Clear stand that I think I got last year at Amazon. I'm gonna be adding all the little essentials for my hot cocoa station making. So I'm just gonna put everything in here so it can stay nice and organized. And then I'm gonna put a little tray here and put my little hand mixer, my mini mixer, and also my little cute mug with some spoons. Down onto the kitchen counter, I got this really pretty tray to go in my bar cart, but I'm gonna be using it here. I'm putting this little cute little lights. I got a set of two at Home Goods and they're so pretty, you guys. And then of course this cute Santa Claus, some festive cutting boards to add into this little corner. And we're gonna make a little arrangement and add a bow because you know a bow makes everything festive. Remember those little Christmas trees that I got at Hobby Lobby that I showed you in my previous haul? I'm gonna be taking the little base out and then just putting them here and adding some berry picks. And look how cute this turned out, you guys. I'm obsessed. Put the air fryer back into the pantry, and then I decided just to have some of the bananas and avocados in there with my oils and my peppers. And here I added a cutting board, this cute little Christmas sign, and of course the nutcracker here, which I ended up moving him. You're gonna see in this video. And then I created another one of those cute little arrangements for this little area as well. I headed to the dining table to work on this area. I'm gonna wipe it down before I put up my decoration. So I'm gonna start with the base, which is a table runner. This one is linen and it has the most beautiful gold sparkling details to it. It was so pretty. I think I found it at Home Goods this year, and we're gonna add that as our base right there. And then I'm gonna be using this battery operated garlands that have the most beautiful little lights, and the branches are so pretty and realistic looking. So I'm gonna play with them and give them the shape that I want, and I'm using two of them, and I think these are 6 feet each. The table to be simple, but again with the same monochromatic look that I was going for, and I found this beautiful beaded Christmas trees that are like in a pine cone shape, and they are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm just gonna set them up here. So I added a little bow to my assistant candle holders to give it a festive look, and then I'm going to be adding them here throughout the table as well to bring some warmth and candlelight. It just makes everything so festive when you add candles. Finish my centerpiece, I'm gonna be adding the frosted berries that I got, remember? So I'm just gonna add them throughout in the table. I am loving how this turned out. I wanted something simple with a little pop of color, and at the same time bringing the metallics, the gold details into the space. So remember the Christmas tree, I decided to use this fur bow that I had from previous years, and it's simple. And then I'm just gonna add my ornaments, a little bit of ornaments, not too much. It's just gonna be a simple tree, you guys, nothing crazy, and I'm honestly loving it. These beautiful mini wreaths from Amazon, and they already come with the ribbon and a bow and everything. These are super cool. You could use them on your cabinet, or you could use them like I'm gonna do here on my corner stools, and I'm using a bobby pin, is that what it's called, to secure them into my chairs. These wreaths come in a set of 4 and also 6, 8, depends on how many you need. But I bought the set of 4 because I knew I wanted to use them here in my counter stools. And now to add the finishing touches to the kitchen, I'm gonna put my oversized tray that I got this year, and I'm gonna have a little arrangement that I made here with some really cute branches, with some berries, some pine cones, absolutely screaming Christmas, this arrangement. I got this bell candle at Marshall's for $14.99. You guys, it's so pretty and it smells so good. The little marble Christmas tree is from Ross. I decided to move the nutcracker into this area so I could see the countdown and change it as we get closer to Christmas. This is how my kitchen and dining area it's looking now. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. I am loving the simplicity. I think it's nice and festive, but at the same time it's yet simple and functional design. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for episode 5 of my holiday series. If you're in the market for beautiful custom window treatments, make sure to check out the description box. I added the link to my 2Pages curtains. They're anti-wrinkle, fully tailored, and truly elevated my dining room. See you in the next video. God bless.